I learned how to be more open and try to calm down when I dance instead of being all stiff. So I also kind of learned the differences between dance and gymnastics, because gymnastics is very stiff and dance is very flowing. And I learned different movements, names for the movements, and had a lot of fun. It was very special because I learned different ways to choreograph, meaning improvisation, little games you can play so you can choreograph better.
I learned how to make dances and express myself through different thoughts and stories.
What did you guys do with the actors?
They accompanied us to enhance our dance, and they would read or sing with us while we were dancing, and it just made the dance and the whole performance just more in depth and more amazing.
You guys are using a Shakespeare sonnet to your piece, and the Jabberwocky. What's that like?
Well, it kind of makes a whole new meaning to that poem, because I can dance it and not just read it, and I can dance it and hear it and I experience it, and I put the emotion from my dance. It was a dance, but then with the poem, I had the emotion of the poem, and it just all went together, and it was so fun.
Well, working with dancers, I think it's fantastic because there's a physicality that's already, they're coming straight from the physical and into the world. And we kind of meet, I think, in the world of ideas. So it's a matter of trying to find what the translation process is for each group. For actors, often the text seems to be preeminent, and we work from the text to the ideas and then out to the physicality. Some actors start in the physicality and then they have to find the text and work the other way. I think it's just very organic. You have to come together in terms of deciding what those themes are and just being really ready to let it flow and find the whole rhythm of the piece, the shape of the piece. And it's been excellent working with both with choreographers and with young minds, just discovering their body and the way they move in space, and new explorations of that, and then bringing some level of the okay, so we have a flowing movement of the piece, the way it's shaped in the building, the way it's shaped in the body, and discovering what the intellectual connection is there through the words. So that's been fantastic. Thank you so much for this.
I think dance is so closely linked to joy that when you find joy in text, it's easier to express that with movement.